If you are over the age of 35 and above, this product is amazing for matured skin. Hello guys, and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Kemi. If this is your first time of seeing me or coming through, you are highly welcome. Happy New Year guys. This is my first video for 2024. I am so sorry that my 2023 was a bit shaky, but I promise you I'm back better than before. So from now on, you'll be seeing a lot of me on your timeline. So today's video is going to be one of my favorite products of 2023, and because I thought, you know what, if I'm gonna start this new year, this is the best video to start this year with, because this product that I'm reviewing today happens to be one of the best products that I've ever put on my skin. And if you have been following me on this channel, you know that I don't put any rubbish cream on my body. I'm very specific and very picky about what products goes on my skin, which is one of the reason why I started making my own skincare, having my own brand, because of how picky I am about product that I apply on my skin. As you all know, this company called Lux Cosmetics, they've been making some amazing product. They are the one that makes the glutathione compound that we all love, and also the Snapchat, the selfie. Those are part of their product. This product I'm reviewing today is another product from this great company. Please, this is not a sponsored video. I am just appreciating a good product. So the lotion that I'm going to be talking about today, it actually comes as a set which has a lotion, a serum, and a face cream. So I'm gonna try and insert the pic. I'll put the picture on the thumbnail so that you guys can screenshot it if you want to get it. So this is the lotion, and then this is the serum and the face cream. So let's just see what are the benefits of this product. I use this product. See, it's empty. This is mine that I use. This is my second bottle, actually is finished, and I love it. I have dry skin, so when it comes to picking skincare product, I always prefer to go for things that will moisturize my skin, hydrate my skin, give my skin a lot of moisture so that I don't suffer dryness, because my skin can be very dry. And I've managed to, work with it till this far, and I love the result that I have right now. So all I need now is just a lot of moisturizing and hydrating for my skin, and this product gives me that. This is one of the lotion that I will use apart from my personal lotion, which is the Intense White 5D lotion. If you haven't used that product, you need to go and try it. That product is also very moisturizing, really moisturizing. You don't need to mix an oil with it before you can get that moisturizing, hydrating effect. And that is exactly what I got from this lotion as well. I did not, throughout the time I was using this lotion, I did not put one oil on my skin, which for me is very rare, because lotion and oil always go together. But this lotion was very moisturizing. It gives my skin an amazing beautiful glow. And also because this product is it's good for skin repair. So if you have a damaged skin, actually, not, let me not even start with that. If you are over the age of 35 and above, this product is amazing for matured skin, because it really helps to revive your skin. It helps to uniform your skin. It treats your skin. It repairs your skin. It's actually called a strong lightening body lotion. Repairing is written on it. It really repairs the skin. It helps you to regenerate new skin cells. It also helps to treat any skin irritation that you have. It will help with stretch mark, but please, don't go and be using it for 1 month and say your stretch mark has not gone. Oh. It will take time. Everybody knows that stretch mark takes time, but you will start seeing amazing results from the 3-4 weeks of using this product. This is like, if I'm gonna recommend anything for anybody that has a matured skin, and I'm saying anybody can use it, or even if you are young, but for a matured skin, especially people who have damaged the skin through skin bleaching and all that, get this lotion. This lotion will not darken you. It will not whiten you either, but it will brighten your skin. It will lighten your skin. This lotion, I started using it in September. And oh my god, because I traveled, so by the time I came back, I was away for a very long time. Like I did like almost 3-4 months out of the country, and I was going to a lot of African countries that has very hot weather. By the time I came back, I was a bit darker, and I took this lotion. and this lotion brings my skin to what it is today. It's so brightening, and it's really, really good on the skin. It's soft, it smells nice, and I just enjoy it. And it comes with the serum. This is the serum. So this serum, what I did was, you can see that there's still a little bit of the serum left, because I don't use it every day. So I just put the lotion in my palm, and then put like maybe like 5 pump of the serum, mix it together in my palm before I apply it to my skin. And it's amazing. It gives you the glow that you need. I'm just going to read a little bit about what the company says about this product, but I've already told you that what it does for me personally, it's amazing. Like I said, it is a very strong lightening cream and a skin repairer lotion. It will repair your skin. It's giving me all this, like, even my stretch marks are fading. I just love this cream. This is my second bottle that I'm using, and it's just an amazing product. It is designed to give extra luminous clarifying effect, so it will nourish your body and make it look so luminous. It corrects all skin imperfection thanks to its multiple active ingredients. It has a lot of active ingredient. Let me see. So it contains glutathione, alpha arbutin, almond oil, vitamin C, collagen, and extracts from plants. This product is amazing. If you have a matured skin, you don't need to be using product that will give you 10, 15 shades lighter that will still damage your skin. You need something that is stable, that will regulate your skin, bring out the best of your skin, and at the end of the day, it will not damage, but it will treat any damage that you already have on your skin. This is an amazing product. So the serum also is also very good. It contains almost the same ingredients. It also has alba-arbutin, almond oil, and almost the same ingredients. This is a bomb. You don't have to mix them together, and that's why I love product like this, that I don't really like mixing, even though I mix a lot. But when it comes to product that I use, I love my serum to be in a bottle like this, and it has a pump, so I'll just pump out what I need. I don't want to use it right now, but let me see, I don't want to use it. So I'll just pump it out on the lotion and then mix it in my palm, and I don't have to use it every day if I don't want to. So I only use it when I need to use it, and it gives me the result that I get to them. Can see that I didn't even finish the serum and the lotion. This morning I finished this morning. It is finished. You can see, you don't go and buy fake. It has that dry effect that Comprime has, that most of this company's product has. It's finished like nothing. I put my hand in there to scrape it out today. It's amazing, and it has very nice smell, not too overpowering, but very, very nice mouth smell. I really love this lotion. Now the last one is the face cream. This is the Raffine white face cream. It's a whitening, anti-stain, and anti-aging face cream, and believe me, they are not lying. If you're battling with your skin and you don't have a glow to your skin, come and buy this face cream. That is all I have to say about this face cream. So it comes in this box, and this is what it looks like. This is mine that I'm using. When it comes to face cream, I don't really use a lot, so this one has not finished, but it's almost done. It's white. All of them are white in color. This face cream is the queen of face cream. If your skin is not glowing and you have been using everything, start using this face cream. This face cream is what is on my face right now. I do not have any makeup on. It's just this face cream. Once I do my skincare routine, this is my moisturizer that goes last on my face. And it gives me the glow that I desire. I wake up in the morning, I look in the mirror, my face is glowing. This is amazing. Not only does it glow your face, it will brighten your face. It will help with dark spots. It will help with hyperpigmentation. If you are suffering from all those hyperpigmentation at the side of your face, get this face cream. It will fade it in the most natural way. That is not going to bleach your skin. No, it's not going to give you 5 shades lighter. No. But when you want a natural skin tone that people will turn and say your skin is nice, then go and get this set, because it is amazing. I use it and I love it. It did not give me any dark knuckles that you can see. In fact, it gives me one color from edge to toe. It will really brighten. One of my customers said it helped her to lighten her inner thigh. Somebody said it helps her to lighten her underarm. This product is amazing and it contains good ingredients. If you're looking for something to use in this new year to give your skin that flawless look, to repair your skin, to rejuvenate your skin, to hydrate and moisturize your skin, then you need to go and get Raffine White. You need to go and get this Raffine White. It is amazing. It is amazing, guys. I'm really shocked about the effect of this product, and everybody that I've given it to as well, I've come back to say no, that product is a bomb. So this product is available on our website, so if you are interested, you can go and buy it. It is not a popular product out there, so if it's for those who knows, this is amazing, guys. Remember when I introduced Glutathione Comprime on this YouTube, everybody started talking about it, but that product is still one of my best selling products till date. I don't even know how many we sell in a week, and they have now come out with another banger, which is even like Thank you guys for watching till now. If you have enjoyed this video, don't forget to share this video with your friends and family. Don't forget to like. I'm begging you, if you really enjoy it or if you have used this product before, just like. I will appreciate that. Like this video, share this video, and subscribe. Subscribe. I need you guys. I need to get to 10,000 subscribers. Come on, guys. Get me there. Get me there. Don't just watch without subscribing. Thank you. Till next time. Stay blessed. Happy New Year.